Hi there, so this is a quick video to show you where the fuse box is located on the BMW 1 Series and some of the other BMWs actually. So it's actually behind the glove box. First thing you want to do is open up the glove box, and then here we've got this like damper on the side, and at the bottom of it what you want to do is give it some force, so push it away from you into the back, into the front of the car there. Just give it a good push at the bottom. There we go. It'll just click out. And then you've got this sort of two panels on the side. So one's here, so you want to pull that outwards, push the glove box inwards a bit, and then same on the other side as well. There's one up here, so you just want to push that in and pull the glove box out. Did them both at the same time, and the glove box, there we go, just drops straight out. So the fuses are actually kept, there you go, you can see them now at the back. So they're not the easiest of things to get to be honest, and here is sort of some information on them. So as you can see there, the fuses layout is the same as this bit of paper. Also on the paper it gives you a breakdown of what all the different symbols and fuses are. So if you're trying to fix the glove box light and the boot light, it's actually number 77 as you can see. And what's interesting is you can see I've highlighted there, 77 also does the aircon. So it was interesting, so when this fuse blew and I was driving to the shop to pick up new fuses, I was thinking, hold on a second, the stop's not working, and also the whole of the climate control stopped working. Then looking at this bit of paper, 77 also runs climate control there. However, it doesn't say it does the start-stop, but as I say, weirdly that wasn't actually working either. So what I actually changed is down the bottom there, next where those 30s are, you can see the 10 there isn't white, so that's the fuse I changed. Now it does come with these tweezers, these tongs, so I should reach and grab them. There we go. So these are quite useful at grabbing one of the fuses. And there you go, once you've sorted out all the fuses, pretty easy to put back. All you do is push the glove box back up and then just help it over these two plastic sides, like so. And then just pull the bottom of the damper down, and that's it. Glove box is back. Easy as that. I hope you found this video useful.